Buzz, splash, whoosh! Sound words are flying everywhere today, zooming right past us and crashing into the screen. And here comes Kitty, trying to catch the noises while figuring out our big word for today. Onomatopoeia? Not pizza, Kitty. Onomatopoeia. It's a name for words that sound like the noise they make. Say it slowly. P-E-A. That long name is a tongue twister, but it stands for something simple, a sound word. These sound words have a secret power. Writers use them to take comic books and make them jump off the page. It's not a scary word only for big kids or teachers. It's just a label for the noisy words we already use every single day. Let's go on a sound safari to see this in action, starting right in the kitchen. Listen to the word sizzle. When you say the z part out loud, your mouth makes the same noise as the hot oil in the pan. Now let's step outside into a storm to find our next set of sounds. You might hear a boom of thunder or a splash in a puddle. When you say the sh in splash, you are copying the sound of water hitting the ground. Oh, look, there's Kitty in a chef hat, still checking the kitchen for an onomatopoeia. Sorry, Kitty, we're just listening to the bacon. From the breakfast table to a big storm, these words help us tell people exactly what we're hearing. Our safari continues into the animal kingdom. Noises like meow, buzz, and moo are some of the best sound words of all. But here is a fun twist. People in different countries hear animal noises in their own special way. That means the words they use for those noises change too. In English, a dog goes woof. But in Japanese, that sound is one, and in Spanish, it is guau. Think about a book. It's made of paper, and paper is usually quiet. It doesn't have a volume knob. Writers use sound words to fix that silence. Action words like pow, bam, and zap force your brain to hear the story. They turn a quiet page into a loud, exciting scene. Onomatopoeia is like a magic trick for writers. It gives a voice to animals everywhere and makes quiet stories roar to life. It's quiz time. Let's see if you can spot these in our Junior Explorer Challenge. Question 1. What sound word fits a flying bee? Buzz. Question 2. What sound word fits falling water? Splash. Question 3. True or false? The word shiny is a sound word. That's false. Shiny describes how something looks, not a noise it makes. You aced it! Smash that subscribe button right now to join the lab crew and keep exploring with us today. Remember the rule. If a word doesn't sound like the noise it makes, it isn't onomatopoeia. Remember, onomatopoeia means sound words. They are all around us and make every story come alive. Your mission today is to walk around with a grown-up and listen for sound words. Listen for a door going creak or your cereal going crunch. Sound words make writing pop. But how can writing be as busy as a bee with no bees at all? Tap right here.